What's up guys? Welcome to Slow-Mo Laboratory. Today I got myself some Viagra. To be more exact, Pyro Viagra. It's a cool firecracker and we're gonna set it off in slow motion and film it, and then we're gonna modify and do something else with it. So let's check it out. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and open it up and get one of those suckers out. And what I'm gonna do to put it in place, I'm gonna put some double-sided tape on it. We're gonna tape it to the table so it doesn't move, so we have a good shot with the camera. We're gonna set it over here somewhere and we're gonna just light it up. And we're gonna set it off and film it in slow motion. Let's do it. Woo! Woo! That was good. Alright, that was fun. So we got ourselves some fish tank and we're gonna fill it up with water. Grab one of those Pyro Viagra pills and throw it in there and we'll see what happens. Hopefully it's not gonna blow up the glass. Of course, it goes without saying, do not try this at home. We have fire extinguisher close by and we're using top safety. We're gonna put on mask and we're gonna go ahead and try it out in a second. Let's do it. I got my fishing gear and we got it tied up to the Pyro Viagra Firework. So I'm gonna light it up and we're gonna drop it again.